All right, guys, we're here at Pave Tool. What we're doing is we're getting ready for March 13th. March 13th, we're gonna have a big appreciation day for all you contractors. We're hoping to get you guys here so that we can get you on the machinery so you can try out all our Pave Tool products, our Optimus products, such as laying machines and all that. What we're doing here is a 20 by 35 area we're gonna dig out. We're gonna have ready for you guys to install pavers with our paver laying machines from Optimus. So hope to see you here on March 13th. That's a Friday. We're looking forward to it. Thanks.